What's up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. So today we are looking at the National Choctaw, Oklahoma car show. I barely remember to say that, but right now we're just walking past the parked cars. The cars we are going to be looking at is over there. This is the first car we're going to be looking at. It's a Corvette. A little bit black interior. Bro, look back here. There's two little models.
Yeah. All right, come on around.
Yeah, let's see. Dang, look at the spoiler. Dang.
The spoiler?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is nice. Does this have any kind of carbon fiber on it?
No.
The skirts and the air cleaner inside is carbon fiber.
Oh.
All right, say thanks.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
It's a truck?
Yeah.
What type of truck?
I think it's like I think they grabbed the old-fashioned truck and then
yeah.
they literally just put a brand new engine in it. They literally just painted it red, made it wider,
Oh, yeah?
and made it a little bit lower. Let's look at it. I guess it's being red. This is an old-fashioned car. This is a little bit like my dad's Mustang. Well, the steering wheel and the old-fashioned part. This thing has a skull.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Hang on. I know that from a movie. I don't remember which.
It's a Green Reaper. There's a Batmobile.
What the? Guys, look
Come
over
here.
here. Come here. What the? Look is that? It's a fucking Batmobile.
Batmobile. They actually added a flipping fake thing just to make it look like a Batmobile. That's actually pretty cool. I bet you they glued a lot of stuff on it. Let's go look at that weird car. This is the miniest car I've ever seen in my life. Oh, yeah?
It's so weird. We got a Ford. This is almost higher than my brother's truck, surprisingly. We got a blue, whatever this is called. Pretty nice. Interior is pretty nice. There's a red truck.
Yes, that's my red truck. You like it?
Red used to be my favorite color.
What's your favorite color now?
Blue.
Why blue?
Because blue's better. My second favorite color is red though.
Okay.
We haven't.
He's burning up way too much film.
Oh, wait, there's another skull head in there.
Yep.
Oh, we got an old
That's like
black.
riding the carpool lane.
We got a black truck. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Alright, we got a blue. We got the exact same thing, just blue. Nice engine. We got a yellow Honda.
A Honda.
A Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce. Here, watch where you going. There's a sign right there. Step on this side.
What? Let me see. You spend $5,000. Pretty nice Corvette. I'm gonna say this kind of looks like my dad's Mustang. Pretty nice Rolls Royce. Beetle.
Yep.
A Beetle. Guys, what the fuck is this? weird. This is kind of pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Flower. There's another van that's red. How many times is it gonna be putting stuff in the flipping hood?
One.
Rolls Royce, another one. Porsche. This is a Chevy. That's definitely a Chevy.
I don't think that's a Chevy.
That's a backwards car.
Oh yeah?
This is the weirdest car I've ever seen in my life.
Really? Alright.
Okay. Red Chevy. How the flip did they flipping change the back to the front? And the back and front to the back. It's so weird.
Yeah, this one's El Camino.
This is a Chevy though, too.
Yeah. What's this one?
Oh my goodness. I love Mustangs.
Yeah.
My brother's friend used to have one, but he wrecked it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You don't remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Another Chevy. A lime green Jeep. Pax and my cousin would love this. Pax and my cousin would love this lime green Jeep. His favorite color is lime. And that's definitely a Chevy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This looks more like my dad's Mustang.
Yeah.
Except like 2 years in more advance. Dad's car is special. A Dan TDM. Another Ford Jeep. Ferrari.
Not a Ferrari.
Yeah, it is. Ferrari. Is it a Porsche?
Oh, it's a Corvette.
Oh! Very nice. Very nice. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you just found this video on YouTube and you didn't search me up, if you want to watch me again, please like and subscribe. To spell my YouTube channel, it's TYTAN -time. TIME. We skipped the Dan TDM Beetle.
That's alright, there's a lot of cars that we gotta go through.
There's a teal car, almost my favorite color. A red car. There's a pretty nice black car. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that is definitely a red. A Corvette.
It's a Camaro.
A Camaro. I'm used to Corvettes. Now this is old-fashioned.
The Blazer.
I know. This is a little bit old-fashioned.
What about that one? That one's old-fashioned too.
I am. This one's kind of. It's like we got a brown car, a black car, another brown car, which is actually pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh yeah.
Whatever. Another Chevy around, whatever.
Okay.
A Dan TDM.
Okay, I was just
truck.
making sure because I keep counting the shoes.
This is so weird.
Camaro.
Yeah.
Stop.
And then the final car on this row is one of the nicest cars seen on this row. It's actually, I don't know what it is, but it's cool.
That's a Pontiac Firebird.
That's a Rolls Royce. This is old fashioned. Okay, he literally just went all out on Darth Vader. Darth Vader. Dodge Charger. Can I have that?
You know that there's
Another Chevy. Or
Corvette.
Corvette, yeah. There is a purple Mustang.
Mm-hmm.
Carbon fiber. Make sure to like, subscribe. 12th Street.
Yeah.
Another Dan TDN. That truck is amazing. That's just pure back. That's actually
It's a Chevelle. SS Chevelle.
Huh?
An SS Chevelle.
Oh. This is from the old-fashioned days. I have a car of this, a toy car of this.
Oh yeah.
Yes. This is more like my dad's Mustang.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Okay. That's a really nice red Corvette. That's old-fashioned. Really nice truck. A Jeep. Pretty nice. The video is gonna be way too long, so I'm just gonna go to the cars I like. Come on. Pretty nice red truck right there.
So he parked.
Old-fashioned. Who made Bumblebee?
Hmm.
Bumblebee.
That's the modern version of El Camino.
That's a Ferrari. And that's another Ferrari.
I think you're getting all your cars wrong.
Yeah, I don't know cars that much as my dad. My dad knows cars a lot more than me. My dad's been doing cars since he was like 6. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, foreign car, which is another damn TDN.
I had it redone. I had it redone to it didn't work when I got it. I shut it off and it showed boy that
Come on.
You skipped all those down there.
I'm looking at them and they're all red. I don't like red.
Oh, okay. Well, let's go
This
over
one.
this on this side.
Yeah, sure.
Come here. Cooler underneath the trees.
Yeah. It's really cool.
That one's a Nomad. What do you like about that one?
It's weird.
It's weird.
There's a blue, whatever it is. It's actually pretty cool. Corvette.
Corvette. Yep.
Pretty nice. That's a Corvette.
Hmm?
Chevy.
It's a mine.
237.
Dang. So that's a Lambo.
That's not a Lambo.
That's a Lambo. The
That's a
backlights.
Toyota.
He wishes it.
Yeah.
this is a Lambo. That guy knows a Lambo.
There's a Porsche.
You're just throwing out all types of stuff.
I know.
Here's a Z28.
Mustang.
No, Z28.
Dan
Chevrolet.
Beetle.
Here, let's go to this side because we're
Dan
getting.
TDN
Look
Beetle.
at that blue color.
I have a truck.
Here's a Ranchero.
Old fashioned.
And I'll tell you what, come over here. Come with me. What president? This is 1938. What's the president? Tell me what they're teaching you in school. 1938. What's the president? Who was the president in 1938? you have an idea? I'll let you think about it. How about that? Let you think about it. He actually was quite a one of our. Yeah, you want to sit inside?
Come here. Here, let me hold your water.
Have your dad take you. You sit up on this chair. You're clean.
This is nice.
Isn't that cool? Look at a big old steering wheel. Like a wagon wheel, right? Isn't that huge?
Yeah.
This is what our grandparents drove. Yeah, I mean, this is... Air conditioning was a fan. You see the old fan? See this old fan right here? Let's see if it... That was your air conditioning. That's a 6-volt fan. That's what they had back in the old days. Old 6-volt mercury fan. How about that, huh?
Yeah.
And it works.
All right, hop out.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now that's old-fashioned like my dad's Mustang. My
Yeah.
dad's Mustang was like made like back in 1920s.
Well, anyways,
really?
the president was Franklin Delano Roosevelt. He took us through the World War II. He took us through the Depression. Yeah, he was one of our longest-serving presidents. He died of a stroke. And towards the end of his term, he wasn't at the White House. He was away from the White House. He was at his garden home when he died. But yes, yeah.
So again, a history lesson.
There you go.
History lesson at the car show.
Yeah.
All right, what do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. What's your first name?
Titan.
Titan. Mine's Craig.
What's your YouTube channel?
All right, buddy.
My YouTube channel?
Yeah. What's your YouTube?
TYTAN dash time.
All right.
Say Tytan time.
Yeah, Titan time.
Well, you tell all your friends about you got a chance to sit in an 85-year-old vehicle, 1938 Chevrolet Master.
Say okay.
Yeah.
Say, all right, thanks.
I never actually got to sit in one of these cars at the car show. I always do like to though, but I
Well,
never
that's
get to.
I bet there are more people that you do that. I don't mind as long as you don't have food.
Yeah.
Then you're pretty clean. It's all right. Yeah.
All right, say thanks.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come have a nice
Come
day.
back see me next car show.
All right. Appreciate it.
Oh, I didn't. No. I took it on. Not because it's ugly.
Let's do it over here. There's the Dodge Charger, another Beetle, two more cars. And a white Mustang. Whatever it's called. Well guys, make sure to like, subscribe. Tell your friends about this video. It was actually really nice. I actually think my dad should have it. I'm not gonna lie.
Watch where you're going.
Has a pretty nice
There's a
engine.
Mustang. You got your Mustang shirt on. Don't touch.
We got a 350.
So the Chevrolet. There's a El Camino.
There's an SS.
Yeah. There's
This
a
is
Camaro.
sport car.
It's a Camaro
There's a sport car.
with a supercharger on it. There's another Camaro.
Pretty nice engine. But I don't know if it has nitrous. Yeah, it has nitrous. It's a Camaro.
Camaro.
Yeah.
All right, let's go this way.
Alright. Another nitrous.
Mustang.
Another Mustang. Blue. That one doesn't have nitrous. This is an old-fashioned car. Another old-fashioned with most likely nitrous.
It's a 68 Chevy. Another bug.
This is a damn TDM Beetle.
It's a 67 Beetle.
This car.
You already looked at all those.
I know. Well, I guess make sure to like, subscribe, tell your friends about this video, like it, share it. If you have any questions, just be free to ask. Please subscribe.
Look at this.
Part
What is
3,
that?
guys. Part 3.
Don't touch.
Dang. Also, this is also the final part. Pretty nice truck. How the flip did he get that engine? On the damn TDM.
sheets?
Further up.
No, I need more sheets.
Chevy. Another Chevy. Another Chevy. There's a lime green Mustang back there. And
That's a Camaro, not a Mustang.
Camaro. No, back there.
Well, this is a Roadrunner.
Yeah. This is a Corvette.
Oops, sorry. Oh, we're getting into
Now we're getting to the motorbike.
some motorcycles.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're driving. I'm clicking the high beams.
Come here.
I'm using that.
We just look better if it was blue.
There's one more your size.
Bruh. Cool. There's an old-fashioned car, guys. Another Chevy. Another Chevy. Another Chevy. A Dodge Charger. There's another Chevy.
The GMC.
Pretty nice. No, that's not nice. It's kind of oh, that's nice. This is a Corvette.
It's a Firebird.
Another Mustang.
Mustang.
A normal old-fashioned car. Mustang. A Charger. A Camaro. A Mustang. A Rolls Royce.
You're just shooting out all sides of stuff. Porsche, yeah.
A Rolls Royce.
I don't think that's a Rolls Royce.
Yes, it is. It's a Rolls Royce.
I think it's a Ford.
It's a Rolls Royce.
He calls everything a Rolls Royce. He's starting to, I don't like it, really.
Also, guys, I have a new gaming setup, so I will be showing you in the next video my new gaming setup. But I don't know if I'll post it right after this video. So, like, I don't know. There's a black car, a blue car.
You're just tired now, huh?
Yeah, really tired.
There's another Mustang.
Rolls Royce.
No, Mustang.
Rolls Royce. Chevy and CDM. Make sure to like, subscribe, tell your friends about it, like it, share it.
That's not Rolls Royce either. It's a Mazda Miata.
It's a Rolls Royce.
There's a 36
Another
Ford.
Rolls Royce. Another Rolls Royce. Another Rolls Royce. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Tell your friends about it. Peace.